Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can turn on or turn off weather information on your taskbar. So at the first you have to go for your taskbar and then click the right mouse button on right button on your touchpad, just like that, and go for the news and interests. And as you can see, if you want to turn it off, just choose turn it off. And as you can see right now it disappears. If you want to activate it back, at the first you have to get the latest update of the Windows 10, and after that this option will be appears here, and you will be able to show icon and text or show only icon. And if you don't know how to make the Windows update, just take a look. You have to click here, then go for the settings. Right now go for the update and security. Then when you are here and the Windows update, you have to wait a little bit until you get this information. As you can see in my case, the updates are available, so when I scroll down just like that, I'm able to install right now the new update, and also you can click here to download and install. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.